Hello students, I am Yogen Singh, your geography teacher. Today I will start first chapter of your geography book. The name of the first chapter is India, Size and Location. First of all, we discuss about the location. India lies entirely in northern hemisphere. Try to understand the meaning of this line with the help of figure. You have seen on the map and on the globe two types of lines, some vertical lines, some horizontal lines, and these horizontal lines are known as latitude and vertical lines known as longitude. So first of all, we learn in the terms of latitude. This is 0 degree latitude, and this 0 degree latitude also known as equator line, and equator line divide the world almost into two equal parts. First part this one and second part this one. This is known as northern hemisphere and this lower part is known as southern hemisphere. Understand? So in the terms of latitude, India lies entirely in northern hemisphere. Understand? On the basis of equator line. Now we further divide on the basis of longitude. 0 degree longitude, it is also known as Greenwich line. So India is located in which hemisphere? In eastern hemisphere. So now here we are getting two locations, north in the terms of latitudinal extent and east in the terms of longitudinal extent. So for the latitudinal extent we use only north direction, and for longitudinal extent we use only east direction. Latitudinal extent of India is 8 degree 4 minute north up to 37 degree 6 minute north. Longitudinal extent is 68 degree 7 minute east, 97 degree 25 minute east. India is almost located here in this part. That's why it means India is located in northeastern hemisphere. Understand? This is northeastern direction. This is latitudinal extent 8 degree 4 minute north up to 37 degree 6 minute north, and longitudinal extent 68 degree 7 minute east up to 97 degree 25 minute east. The Tropic of Cancer divides India almost into two equal parts. The island group of Lakshadweep and the Andaman Nicobar is also the part of India. The Tropic of Cancer divides India almost into two equal parts, and here are two island group, one island group in Bay of Bengal and another island group in Arabian Sea. This island group is known as Andaman Nicobar. This island group known as Lakshadweep. Both these island group is also the part of India, and the capital of Andaman Nicobar is Port Blair and the capital of Lakshadweep is Kavaratti. Andaman Nicobar we can further divide into two island group. This is Andaman and this is Nicobar, and यहाँ पे जो 10 डिग्री चैनल है it divide into two group. Understand? And India's most southern point is known as Indra Point, and that point is located in Nicobar Island group, this one, and the degree of Indra Point is 6 degree 4 minute north. Got it? तो which point is the most southern point of India is Indira Point, that is located in Nicobar Island. The total area of India is about 3.28 million square kilometer, and this value is equal to 2.4% of total geographical area of the world. Try to understand here. If this is the pie chart, and this pie chart representing total geographical area of the world, and this light yellow color showing the area of India. So it means the India is the 7th largest country of the world in the terms of area, but in the terms of population, India is the second most populous country of the world. And look here, these are 6 countries which are larger than India in the terms of area: रसिया, कनाडा, यूएसए, चाइना, ब्राज़ील, ऑस्ट्रेलिया। ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, आपको सारे कंट्रीज़ के नाम याद करना है, लर्न करना है कि रशिया इज़ ऑलमोस्ट larger than India, near about 5 times. Canada, USA, China is larger than India in the terms of area, almost 3 times. Brazil, Australia. So these are 6 countries which are larger than India in the terms of area. Which one is the largest country of the world in the terms of area? Russia. And total land boundary of India is about 15,200 kilometer, with total length of the coastline is 7,516 kilometer. This is total land boundary of India from Sir Creek to Newmore Island, and this is total coastline area, coastline from गुजरात अप टू वेस्ट बंगाल। अगर इस कोस्टल डिस्टेंस को और अंडमान निकोबार आइलैंड की कोस्टल डिस्टेंस को एंड लक्षद्वीप की कोस्टल डिस्टेंस को ऐड करेंगे, देन वी गेट दिस वैल्यू। India's east-west extent appears to be smaller than north-south extent. Why? You have seen कि almost the latitudinal extent is 30 degree and longitudinal extent of India is almost 30 degree. Then why latitudinal extent is larger than longitudinal extent? Try to understand here. All of you look, these are longitudes, and as well as we are moving towards the pole, the distance between the longitudes is continuously decreasing. That's why this distance is less as compared to this distance, because you can see here the distance between these two lines here is larger as compared to here. Understand? And from one more example, you look here, this is 68 degree and this is 96 degree. Understand? तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक आप डिस्टेंस देखिए और सेम डिस्टेंस यहाँ से यहाँ पे आप देखिए, तो ये क्या है, डिस्टेंस कम है। तो सबसे ज़्यादा जो है लॉन्गिट्यूड्स के बीच में डिस्टेंस कहाँ होती है? इक्वेटर पे होती है, नियर अबाउट 111 किलोमीटर. But as well as we move towards the polar area, the distance between the two longitudes will decrease. Understand? So that's why longitudinal extent is less as compared to latitudinal extent. India is bounded by a mountain in the northwest, north and northeast. India is bounded by the mountain in the north, north में क्या है? Himalaya, in northeast Himalayan, and it is bounded by north and by the Himalayan range, north and northeast direction, and in the south it is bounded by ocean. In the eastern side is Bay of Bengal, and western side Arabian Sea. Look here, the south of about 22° north latitude it began to taper and extend towards the Indian Ocean, dividing it into two seas, Arabian Sea on the west and the Bay of Bengal on its east. So this peninsular India divide Indian Ocean into two subparts. The eastern part is known as Bay of Bengal and the western part is known as Arabian Sea. Or in the Bay of Bengal is one island group. The name of that island group is Andaman and Nicobar. In the Arabian Sea island group is Lakshadweep. Standard meridian time is based on 82.5° east meridian, which passes near Mirzapur in UP. See here, this is standard meridian of India. The reading of this line 82.5° east longitude. You know that Earth complete its one rotation in 24 hours. It means Earth rotate 360° in 24 hours. Means, so then Earth rotate 1° in how much time? It means अर्थ 1° रोटेट करने में कितना टाइम लगेगा? 4 मिनट. अंडरस्टैंड? 360° इज इक्वल टू 24 into 60 minute, and to get the value of 1° we divide total number of minutes by 360°, then it means 1° is equal to 4 minute. अर्थ को 1° रोटेट करने में कितना टाइम लगता है? 4 मिनट. तो इंडियाज लेटीट्यूडनल एक्सटेंट इज ऑलमोस्ट हाउ मेनी डिग्रीज? 30°. तो 30° is equal to 120 minute means the 2 hours. Understand? So you know that Earth rotates from west to east direction. That's why the sun rises early in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat. कितना? 2 hours पहले सनराइज होगा अरुणाचल प्रदेश में. अगर अरुणाचल प्रदेश में 6 पे सनराइज होगा तो गुजरात में कितना होगा? जो 8 पे. अब प्रॉब्लम ये है कि अगर हम यहाँ के लॉन्गिट्यूड्स को लेकर के टाइम सेट करेंगे तो फिर अगर 6 पे जो है सनराइज हुआ, जब 4 पे सनराइज हुआ, तो आफ्टर द 2 hours those people who are living in this area they easily can attend their office and the students can attend their school. But the people who are living in this area, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 4 पे AM सनराइज हुआ और 6 पे आप स्कूल पहुँच सकते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे तो सनराइज 6 पे ही होगा. लोगों को अंधेरे में ही जो है नाइट में ही स्कूल्स अटेंड करना पड़ेगा. तो इस प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करने के लिए जो है उसके मिड पॉइंट, जो लेटीट्यूडनल जो एक्सटेंट है उसके मिड पॉइंट को लिया गया. तो दिस इज 68. longitudinal extent is about 30°. So half of the 30 means 15. Then here we are adding 68 plus 15, then we get 83. But why we have selected 82.5? क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक इंटरनेशनल एग्रीमेंट है सारे कंट्रीज़ के बीच कि जो भी स्टैंडर्ड टाइम जोन होगा वो 7.5 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा. क्यों? 7.5 में 30 मिनट्स होते हैं, तो इसलिए इसमें से जो है राउंड फिगर एक मिलता है 30 मिनट का. तो इस वजह से जो है 82.5 को जो है स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन सेलेक्ट किया गया और इट पासेस फ्रॉम यूपी स्टेट नियर Allahabad. The name of that place is Mirzapur. The Tropic of Cancer divide the India almost into the two equal parts. The northern part experience subtropical climate and the southern part experiencing the tropical climate. It passes from 8 states of India. The first one is Gujarat, second Rajasthan, third Uttar Pradesh, fourth Chhattisgarh, fifth Jharkhand, next West Bengal, seventh Tripura, 8 Mizoram. The Tropic of Cancer passes how many states? 8 states of India. Now here we discuss about the state and the union territories. In present time in India has 8 union territories and 28 states. The erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir has been bifurcated into 2 union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Before the bifurcation of Jammu and Kashmir, there was 29 states, but in a present time, how many states? Because this state converted into 2 UTs. So that's why 29 minus 1 is 28. The total number of the UTs is 8. Let's first of all try to understand what is the difference between the UTs and state. The state has its own administrative unit with their own elected government. Union territories constituent unit which are controlled and administered by the central government. This is first difference. Executive head is governor in the states and executive head is president in union territories. Administered by the chief minister and elected by the people. Administered by the administrator which is appointed by the president. यहाँ पे क्या होता है? Elected by the people and here it is appointed by the president. So this is the basic difference between the state and union territories and in present time there are 8 UTs. आपको अगर कन्फ्यूज़न है 8 या 9 है तो अब इस समय प्रेजेंट में क्या है 8 UTs हैं क्योंकि इन द मंथ ऑफ जनवरी जो अंडमान निकोबार ये दादरा एंड नगर हवेली एंड दमन एवं दीप पहले क्या थी 2 सेपरेट यूटीज़ थी अब दोनों को मर्ज कर दिया गया है और दोनों को की जो है कैपिटल क्या है दमन. तो देन इन अ प्रेजेंट टाइम द टोटल नंबर ऑफ यूटीज़ इज 8. द फर्स्ट वन इज लद्दाख, द नेक्स्ट वन इज श्रीनगर, जम्मू एंड श्रीनगर. तो ड्यूरिंग द समर मंथ द कैपिटल ऑफ जम्मू एंड श्रीनगर इज ड्यूरिंग समर क्या श्रीनगर, ड्यूरिंग विंटर जम्मू. तो इसकी 2 कैपिटल्स हैं इस यूटीज़ की. थर्ड चंडीगढ़, फोर्थ दिल्ली, फिफ्थ दमन एवं दीप दादरा एंड नगर हवेली, 6 लक्षद्वीप, 7 पुडुचेरी, 8 अंडमान एंड निकोबार. So these are 8 UTs. India has an important position in the South Asia and has 28 states and 8 union territories. India shares its boundaries with Pakistan, Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal, Bhutan in the north, Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. The southern neighbors across the sea consist of 2 island countries namely Maldives and श्रीलंका. तो ये क्या है, ये जो है लैंड बाउंड्री शेयर नहीं करते हैं क्योंकि बीच में क्या ओशनिक बॉडी है, लेकिन ये 2 हमारे जो है नाइबरिंग कंट्रीज हैं. द फर्स्ट वन इज मालदीव, द नेक्स्ट वन इज श्रीलंका. श्रीलंका इज सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम इंडिया बाय पाक स्ट्रेट, अ नैरो स्ट्रिप ऑफ वाटर बॉडी. यू कैन सी हियर the narrow strip of water body is known as strait. What is strait? A narrow strip of the water body that separate 2 large landmass is known as strait. तो इंडिया और श्रीलंका के बीच कौन सा स्ट्रेट है? पाक स्ट्रेट. अंडरस्टैंड? इंडिया always have and had strong geographical and the historical link with her neighbors. You can see here the neighboring countries. The first one is Pakistan, next Afghanistan, here China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh और जो ये 2 हैं हमारे जो ओशंस में 2 नाइबरिंग, एक पहला कौन सा श्रीलंका और नेक्स्ट मालदीव. अंडरस्टैंड? जो इंडिया है वो सबसे ज़्यादा जो लैंड बाउंड्री जिसके साथ में शेयर करता है वो सबसे जो है किस कंट्री के साथ में सबसे ज़्यादा लैंड बाउंड्री शेयर करता है? बांग्लादेश के साथ में। अंडरस्टैंड। एंड सबसे छोटी लैंड बाउंड्री किसके साथ में है? जो है सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट लैंड बाउंड्री शेयर जो है अफगानिस्तान के साथ में। अंडरस्टैंड। India's significant location at the head of Indian Ocean. The central location of India at the head of Indian Ocean is considered of a great significance because India has a long coastline in Indian Ocean. इंडियन ओशन में किसी भी कंट्री के की इतनी लंबी जो है कोस्टलाइन नहीं है जितनी जो है सबसे ज़्यादा जो है क्या है जो है इंडिया की है। यू कैन सी हियर सबसे ज़्यादा जो है जो इसकी जो स्ट्रेटेजिकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से जो लोकेशन है सबसे अच्छी इंडिया की है। इट हैज़ गिवन India a strategic advantage due to trans-Indian oceanic route which connect the countries of the Europe in the west and the countries in the east. It helped India establish close contact with West Asia, Africa and Europe from western coast and with eastern coast and East Asia from the eastern coast and with Southeast and East Asia from the eastern coast. You can see here India is well connected with the oceanic route from East Asia, from the eastern coast and from western coast. It is connected with African countries and by this route it is connected with European countries. India is the only nation which has an ocean named after it, Indian Ocean. The vast coastline and natural harbors have benefited India in carrying out trade and commerce with its neighboring and distant countries. It has given India a distinct climate than the rest of Asian continent. Okay, thank you. And you can also watch on YouTube. You can use this link for further information and for further knowledge. Okay, thank you.